Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look at our footage over here. Take a look at this. UFO chases drone. Look at this footage. This footage was sent in to us anonymously. And the source claims that this drone is chasing this UFO over here. And this is all according to the source. You can see it there. Look at this. It goes right behind the clouds. And then look at this UFO. It seems like it's trying to mimic its surroundings or some kind of camouflage or something like that. You can see that it's looks like you can see the sky and clouds on it. So that is some interesting footage over here. I don't know if this original footage is slowed down or not. It seems to be going pretty slow. This is slowed down over here. But the original clip that we got was also slow. Here's a close-up shot. Look at this, excellent footage. You can see the UFO coming out of that cloud over there, and then there's a drone. There's some. So this UFO has to be pretty big because you know the drones, those military drones over there, are decent size. Excellent footage over here, ladies and gentlemen. This is brand new footage. We received it October 2nd, 2019. Absolutely incredible footage over here. And here's a still shot. There it is. Look at that. It looks like almost like the landing wheel on the drone is down. That's some interesting footage. So this might not be that high off the ground. And then how is this being filmed? I mean, those are all questions we don't have answers to. If you're the source that sent in this video clip, and if you change your mind, if you could please give us some further insights on this sighting, that would be great. Remember, if you like seeing these videos, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Something strange is going on. This drone is definitely chasing a UFO. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Please leave your thoughts down in the comments below. This is Max with iUFO Sightings. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good one. Remember, if you like seeing these UFO videos, hit that subscribe button and then hit that bell notification, and you'll never miss a UFO sighting again. Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look at our footage over here. Take a look at this. UFO sightings, light in the sky. This is brand new footage. We received it October 2nd, 2019. I want to say thank you to Oscar for sending in this footage. Apparently Oscar is a groundskeeper over here. And you can see this is a football stadium. Oscar did ask us not to reveal the school because he still works there. He's in maintenance. And basically what he told us, I did have a chance to talk to Oscar. Oscar, it was nice talking to you. If you're watching this, he did say that he forgot his wallet at work, and he went home and he realized that he was missing his wallet. So then he went back, and when he went back, he saw this in the back lot over here by the stadium, football stadium. He pulled his car over and started filming. Excellent footage over here. Look at this UFO. This could possibly be a drone. This might be a drone. Looks like there might be something, a fan or something underneath over here, but it's hard to tell. All we can see is just these lights that are lit up. And once again, Oscar sent in this footage. I'm gonna refrain from naming the school because he's a maintenance manager over here at the school. And he couldn't believe it. He said he's a longtime fan and subscriber of iUFO Sightings. He couldn't wait to get the footage over to us. And Oscar, you want to know what our thoughts are? We think that this might be a drone. We did ask him if there was any noise, you know, like a fan noise or anything like that, or an engine noise or a motor noise. He said no, it was silent. So that's the only thing that's going to definitely raise some questions over here. This definitely looks like it could be a drone. For right now, it's definitely an unidentified flying object. Excellent footage. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, if you like seeing these videos, hit that thumbs up button. Brand new footage over here, October 2nd, 2019. Thank you, Oscar. This is Max with iUFO Sightings, and I want to tell you, when you subscribe, make sure that bell notification. And thanks for stopping by. We'll talk to you soon. Have a good one. Okay, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. UFO Sightings spaceship. Look at this thing. Whatever this thing is, it's flying at the airport. According to the source, he's on vacation in France, and the plane's pulling off onto the runway, getting ready to take off, and this is what he saw. Look like it's rained. Looks like there's some water spots on the window over here. Look at this. This is definitely a spaceship. Look at the center of the UFO. It looks like it's being distorted somehow. This thing almost looks like an insect. Are those wings on it? Is this some kind of organic UFO? What is this? You can see the planes in the background. This brand new footage, we just received this October 25th, 2018. Source was on vacation in France, and this is what they saw. He was with his girlfriend. They were on in the plane. Obviously, he was sitting in the window seat. She was next to him, and apparently she saw this UFO as well. And this is just look at this UFO. I mean, this thing, it really does look like it's organic. It could, just excellent footage on this one. And I want to say thank you to Devon. I hope I pronounced it properly. He sent in this video. Just excellent, ladies and gentlemen. UFO sighting spaceship. There's an extreme close-up. Look at that. I'm telling you, to me it looks like it's some wings over here. And we're gonna have to agree with the source. UFO sighting spaceship. Definitely a UFO, right? Unidentified flying object. Great footage, pretty clear footage. And this one is definitely one for the records. There it is, October 25th, 2018, from France. Devon, thank you. We appreciate it. And we hope you have a good vacation over there. And if you're sad that this video is over, head on down to the description below. Check out the links. We have a ton of UFO videos down there that you can watch. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and we will talk to you tomorrow. Have a good day. Remember, if you like seeing these UFO videos, hit that subscribe button and then hit that bell notification, and you'll never miss a UFO sighting again. Alright, welcome back. Let's take a look at our footage over here. UFO sightings, Phoenix Lights. And could this quite possibly be the Phoenix Lights? It was just spotted recently, October 27, 2018. We all know the Phoenix Lights, one of the most popular UFO sightings around. And take a look at this footage over here. Seems to be some lights flying in formation. There seem to be 5 of them, and it quite possibly looks like a V-shaped formation, and it begs the question, is this the Phoenix Lights spotted again? The strange UFO over here flying overhead, looks like over some traffic. And unfortunately, we do not have a location for you as to where this did happen. Look at that. Definitely looks like a formation of 5. This is some great UFO footage over here. And we just want to say that Pedro sent in this footage, but we're not sure exactly where it was filmed at. We could just tell by the bottom looking that there is definitely some cars down there. It is on a road. I'm wondering how many people actually saw this UFO. It looks like the traffic stopped. And thank you again, Pedro, for sending in this footage. We don't have an exact location for you, but this footage was filmed, according to the source, October 27, 2018. And this UFO seems to be flying pretty fast, and judging by the looks of it, this thing is huge. I mean, at least the size of a house. But it just looks like lights in the air. It doesn't seem to have any other physical properties that we can see. But just definitely want to give that shout out to Pedro, saying thank you. We have sent him a follow-up email asking for an exact location or just a general location so that we can see if there's, other people that have seen this UFO. But what do you think, ladies and gentlemen? There's the footage down. There's the footage. If you like seeing these videos, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And check out the links in the description below. You want to subscribe, hit that bell notification so you don't miss any UFO sightings. That being said, wait, don't go. Are you sad that the UFO video is over? No worries, just click on the center icon button there and you'll subscribe to iUFO Sightings and you won't miss another UFO sighting again. What's that? You can't wait for the next UFO sighting? Then go ahead and click on the image on the left and you can start watching more UFO sightings right now.